Okay, it's Friday, right? It's Friday. New Guitar Day Friday. Really. I'm waiting. It's coming clear from Germany. I'm waiting. I don't see no UPS man yet. Where's he at? Come on, dude. Well, anyway, I'm waiting. And no, it's not a Gibson. Yeah. Shit happens. Okay, it's not a Gibson, but it's really nice. It's gonna be nice. I swear to God. It's not quite gonna be as nice as. Yeah, it should be this nice. It should be that nice. Yeah, it should be as nice as that telly. Rosie the telly. Yeah. Yep. Then we got. Excuse me. Then we got Ivy the PRS. Yeah. Ivy. Yeah. So I don't know what I'm gonna call this one. But it's new. And I can't wait. It's not here yet. I'm looking. It's not here yet. Well, oh yeah, dude. It's New Guitar Day. Okay, short backstory. In all seriousness. The 16th of November, I ordered a Polytune tuner pedal from Louisville. It's coming FedEx. It's not here yet. Also on the 16th, I ordered from Thomann in Germany an HB 35 Plus in lemon drop guitar that I think's getting ready to pull up and get dropped off sooner than I can get a pedal from Louisville. The Harley Benton's a B stock. I'm curious to see what the HB 35 Plus in lemon drop B stock, which probably means there'll be some flaws. Price is right. It's not a Gibson. Looks like a Gibson. Whoa. He may have a box for me. Wonderful. I don't know how stable she's going to be here. Give her a go. Give her a little wiggle. The case is nice. That helped do some padding. I did hear some wiggle going on. What do we got here? B stock. Get that in there. It did come as a B stock. Stick my hand, put it in there. I'm excited. I don't like that. Yeah, it's pretty easy access to the guitar, that's for sure. Man, I do not like the way Thomann packs the 335s. Oh man. Flopping around in there. Hope I'm getting that. Not a big fan. Huh. Well, I don't have to open the box. Just come this way with it. You gotta remember, she is a B stock. And there we go. Yeah. It's orange. I don't see nothing through the plastic. Let's get to the unboxing. We'll get a good look at it. It is a B stock. Let me start her. I'll bring you right back. Okay, here's where we left off. Make sure we can see this one. Do the unbagging, not the unboxing. So far, headstock looking really nice. She is definitely lemon droppy. Here she comes. So far, That looks nice. Very, 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 very nice. Oh, oh, she's got a bit of flame. B stock, huh? I don't see no B stock going on. Intonation looks very well set. That. Oh, that is a very, very nice guitar. I don't know if that flame's showing up. For a B stock, it was $78 less. So I got this guitar for $208. That's insane. Just insane. Well, thank you again, Tolman. Wow. Okay. Yesterday from Tolman, right? Yesterday. Ordered it on the 16th. Today from Lexington, Kentucky. Ordered it on the 16th. This came a day from Germany before this came from Lexington, Kentucky. What is it? Oh, looks like it's a crawling tune. Okay then.